Hi guys, today we're going to be doing the different types of cylinders. Now, just to be clear, I'm going to leave the link to the notes in the description so you can access them there. But for now, only pay attention to understanding the topic. Yeah. And in cylinders, we first need to know how many different types of cylinders are there. Firstly, we have an opened tin cylinder. Open cylinder. For example, you could say like a pipe. Okay, if you imagine a pipe, it's open on both ends. That's the first one. Secondly, you have a closed cylinder on both sides. Imagine, let's say, a soda can. Okay, soda can is sealed on both ends. That's the second type of cylinder. Then, third type is our, let's say, a glass of water. Yeah, a glass of water or glass of anything, but a glass. Okay, so we can say it's open on one end but closed on the other end. Now, first up, we have our open cylinder or a pipe. Now, we want to find two things, the volume and the surface area. Okay. Now, for the volume, you're going to have the same formula for all of the cylinders, regardless of which one they are. So, the volume is going to be pi r squared h, r being the radius and h being your height. Okay. Now, second, you want to know how to find the surface area, the total surface area. How do you know? We do not have a specific formula for the entire cylinder for surface area, but what we can do is we can split this up into 2 or 3 sections. I can say, okay, this is a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and something that's curved in the middle. So you could say a curved surface area in the middle. Let's first mark this. Circle 1, circle 2. Now I want to find the area for circle 1. Okay, area of circle 1 is equal to pi r square, and then same for area of circle 2 equals pi r square. Okay, we have this. Now I want to find the area of this entirety, this curved part. How do I find that? Now first, what we're going to do is we have a formula that says the curved surface area is equal to the arc length times the height. The arc length times the height. Now, if we look at this, this is a full cylinder, a full round cylinder. For a full cylinder, the total angle is what? The angle is 360. Angle is 360 degrees. Arc length has a formula as well. What is arc length? If you write on the side, arc length has a formula theta over 360 times 2 pi r. That's the formula for arc length. Let me mark that here. That's for that. Now, if I use the same formula here, that's going to mean the curved surface area is equal to the arc length. That means theta over 360. So what do we have? The theta that we have here is 360. So that's going to be 360 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi into r. Okay. Then times our h. Then when we have all the areas, so we have the area of circle 1, area of circle 2, the curved surface area of this entire, you could say, cylinder. Now what do we do? Simply in the end, add all the areas, all the separate areas, to find total surface area. That's it for the first one. Now let's do a question to understand this a bit better. They have given us a cake slice here, something like a cake slice, and they say find the curved surface area of this. Now, imagine yourself that you are taking out a slice of cake. What's going to be the curved area? It's going to be the side that is facing you, that's coming towards you. Okay, this is going to be the pointy side of the cake. This is going to be the curved side that's going to face you. So this is our curved area. Now, we discussed that the surface area, sorry, let me do this with separate pen. The curved surface area is going to be the arc length multiplied by the height. Now, what I can see is the arc length formula was previously theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r multiplied by h, that is 10. Okay, multiplied by 10. What is theta? Theta is 40. Okay, then you just plug those values in. Theta over, sorry, it's not theta, 40 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r into 10. You put this in your calculator. In the end, the total area will be, let me check quickly, 55.8505. So that is your answer. So simply we just put in the formula and got the values and got the answer in the end. Now number 2, we have open container. Now open container basically you could say is, for example, like a glass, like we discussed before as well. Now imagine yourself with a glass that the top is open but the bottom is sealed. Top is open, bottom is sealed. Now someone says find the volume. Now we discussed before, the volume is going to be the same for all of them. So volume formula is going to be similar to the previous one. That's going to be pi r squared h. Now for the surface area, we know we have one circle in the bottom and the curved surface area. Why do not we have the top circle? It's open, so we cannot take the area for that. So the circle area is going to be pi r squared. Then the curved surface area again is going to be arc length multiplied by, let me write it on the side, arc length multiplied by the height. Okay, we know the formula again. Formula was theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r multiplied by height. Then the total surface area will be pi r squared plus the theta over 360 times 2 pi r times your height. The third and the final one, we have our pipe. Now in a pipe, we know that the first end, the top end is opened and the bottom end is also open. So if we want to find the volume, same thing again. The volume is the same for all of them. That's going to be pi r squared h. Okay, now the surface area. Now I know I don't have a circle here because it's an open end and this one is also an open end. So I don't have any circles. I only have the area of this curve. So curved surface area is equal to total surface area. So curved surface area will be equal to our, let me write it down over here on the side. You're going to have again arc length multiplied by height. Okay, then arc length is going to be again theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r into height. So we're going to have CSA, that means curved surface area, and TSA, that means total surface area. Okay, so this is our curved surface area, and in the end this is our total surface area, 360 2 pi r multiplied by h. Now if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, and if you want similar topics to be explained of GCSE, IGCSE, higher, and even foundation or AS level, then you can tell me in the comments and I can hopefully make a video on that as well. And if anyone wants to book a free call with me to discuss the issues in maths, I'm also going to leave my number in the description, so you can contact me there. So let's discuss your issues, and I'm also going to leave the note to the links, these notes that I've drawn in the description, so you can also access that there as well. Thank you.